Hello viewers, in this video lecture we are going to see the topic reading and writing characters. This is coming under the third unit of object oriented programming. Objectives are to describe how to read and write characters in Java programming, to understand the methods available to read and write characters in Java. First of all, let us see about the read method. Read method is used to read the characters that has to be called with the help of buffer reader object. So first of all we have to create the object for buffer reader class. So with the help of the object only, buffer reader object only, we can call the method read. And the syntax is int read throws IO exception. Now we can see the program to read a character sequence of characters from the keyboard. So first of all we are creating the object under buffer reader. Then we are declaring the variable to store the characters, C variable name C. Then we are asking the user to enter the characters, and at last the user has to enter at to denote the end of characters. Now we are reading the individual characters by applying the method like this. That is C equal to char of br.read. br is the object previously we have created for the buffer reader class. So br.readof. So with the help of this method, one by one characters can be read and the characters will be stored into the character variable C. Then inside the loop we are printing the content present in the character C. So the while loop will be repeatedly printing the characters from the character variable C until it found at character on C. So we will have the output like this. Initially the user have to give some characters and finally at character. Then with the help of then we are printing the all the characters values with the help of system.out.println. So in this way we will get the output. Next we are going to read one method, read line function or read line method, which will also called with the help of the buffer reader object. So this method is used to read the string from the keyboard rather than the read method. Previously read method is used to read the single character from the keyboard, but the read line function is used to read the string from the keyboard. The syntax is string read line throws IO exception. Now we can see how can we use the read line method. So here also we are creating the first of all we are creating the object for input stream reader class. The object is R. Next we are going to create the object for buffer reader class. The object is BR. Now we are going to read one string. For that the user is asked to provide her name, that is enter your name. So the name will be catched by the read line method and the string value, the catched string value will be stored into one variable name. Then after that we will print the data from the string variable name with the help of system.out.println. So actually for example if we are giving on a string Priya, in the output we will get welcome Priya. So in this way we can call the read line method to read the entire string with the help of buffer reader object. Now we can see writing console output. So console output is providing the output onto the console, that is showing the output onto the output screen or output device. So console output is most easily accomplished with the help of print and println methods. These methods are defined by the class print string, and we are having some more method like write method to write the some data onto the console. The syntax is void write int byte value, that is This method writes to the stream the byte specified by the byte value. Now we are going to see one Java program which is used to write the character value to the output stream. For example, we are having the class write demo. Under the class we are having the main function. We are declaring one variable b. So in the variable we are providing the value to the variable, and we are printing the value of the variable b with the help of a write. Normally we will print something, we will use the statement system.out.println. So instead of println, here we are using the write method. So we are printing the value of b, like system.out.write. So value of b is capital letter A. So the capital letter A will be printed. Now we can see the use of printWriter class. In the real world programs, we can use one method from the printWriter stream. PrintWriter is one of the character based classes. Using a character based class for console output, it makes it easier to internationalize our program. So printWriter having many constructors. For example, we can see the program. For performing the write operation in this manner, we have to create the object for printWriter class. Then we are printing the statement with the help of println method along with the printWriter object, that is pw.println. Pw is the object that we have created for the class printWriter. So we are printing pw.println of this is the string. This string will be printed. Then after that we are trying to print one value of the variable I. The value of the variable is -7. Then again we are going to print another one value d. The value of d was 4.5 e power -7. So in this program we are seeing how can we print something with the help of println by accessing it with the help of printWriter class. So printWriter class is used to print something with its object. So the possible university questions are, question is, explain the methods for reading and writing characters to console in Java with example program. Thank you all.